Did you know that you don't need to open Google Pay to scan a QR code? How? Just tap and hold on the Google Pay icon and it will show you scan any QR code. Just drag and drop it on your home screen and there you go. Whenever you need to pay someone through a QR code, just tap on that icon. It will directly open the QR code and you can scan any QR code and pay directly from Google Pay without even opening Google Pay. Like this, there are many hidden tricks on Android that I'm going to show you in this video. So watch this till the end because it's going to be really interesting and useful too. So hey guys, I'm your host and you are watching Tech Arena. So don't forget to like this video for the efforts taken to make this video possible, and also share this video with all of your friends because it is very useful. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel because I upload tech videos on daily basis. And also don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the notifications so that whenever I post any video, you get all the notifications without any fail. So now let's get started. We install a lot of apps and we don't know the permissions that it requires for that app to run and also the data that an app collects until and unless we install the app and check it in our settings. But with this trick, you can check all the information like the data it collects, the permission it requests before installing the application. How? It's very simple. Go to the Play Store page of that particular application, scroll down until you find data safety. Just tap on that and it will show you the permissions that the app collects and also the data the app that collects. With this, you can now decide whether to install that app or not, because that collects a lot of data, then you can not install the app, and if it collects very less data, then you can just install it without any fear. Now imagine if you see a YouTube video and a portion of it is very funny or relatable and you want to share that video with your friend. You usually share that link of that video and ask them to watch from that portion based on the timeline, right? But instead, you can share the video link and make them watch from the specific point that you want them to watch. How? Just share the link and before just sending the link to them, just add $T and equal to and then add the timeline spot in seconds. So if you want them to watch from 1 minute 20 seconds of that video, then you have to convert that 1 minute 20 seconds into seconds. How? So 1 minute 20 seconds in seconds is 70 seconds. If you send that link right now and if they tap on that link, the video will start playing from the portion that you want them to watch from. This is a really small hidden trick that no one really knows. Sometimes when someone asks you to remind about some things, you either call them at a point in time or either text them. But what if you forgot to do that? It's quite difficult, right? Well, with this trick, you will never ever forget to remind someone by using text. How? Just go to your messaging app and then choose the person whom you want to send a reminder. Reminder as in reminder in a text. So after you select that person, type the message that you want to make them remind and then tap and hold on the send icon, which will show a schedule message icon. So now you can schedule a particular message on your messaging app to reach to a person at a particular point. So now you don't need to remember to remind them always. It's a very small trick and a simple trick that is very useful too. When I wake up in the morning, there'll be a lot of notifications on my smartphone and I have to constantly remind myself to not to dismiss all those notifications in order to read each and every notification. If you have that same problem, then do this trick. Then even if you dismiss your notifications, you can read them later. What is that? Well, there's a setting called as notification history on Android. So if you enable that, even if you dismiss a notification, you can later read that by going into that setting and seeing from which app that notification came and what is that particular message. It basically keeps a log of all the notifications that come into your Android smartphone, thus making it useful for you to read later even if you dismiss that notification by mistake. So there you have it. These are all the amazing useful tricks that is hidden on Android, and share this video with all of your friends because it is very useful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. That's very important because to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video, because I upload everyday tech videos that's very interesting. Anyways, this is me Arnav signing off from the video. Until the next one, stay home, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.